driving video of this magnificent car. You could not have anything newer. Back in 1977, I had a new car agency and used to drive a Buick electric coupe. And this reminds me of back in 1977. This has wonderful, smooth pickup. You can't even feel the transmission shift in this. It has original AM/FM stereo with factory CB. And there's the control. It's on channel 19. The air conditioning right now, if you see, it's on low, and I will tell you, it is very chilly in here. I'm wearing shorts and my legs are ice cold. But what a true driver that puts anything that you can think of to shame. We have a new Maybach, and it doesn't ride as smoothly as this. Plus you get into a hole getting into it, where this is so much easier to get into and more comfortable. Anyway, enjoy it.